Hello friends, welcome back to the ethical hacking course. Today we are diving into one of the most crucial steps in hacking, information gathering. You can break into a system if you don't know enough information about it, right? That's where information gathering tools come into play. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use one of the simplest yet most effective tools, NetDiscover. Imagine you are connected to a network and your target is one of the devices on that network. What is your first step? Figure out who is on the network with you. You need to gather details like IP addresses, MAC addresses, and other device specific info. Once you have that, you can use it to plan your next move, whether that's running attacks or digging for more intel. Now, there are plenty of tools to help with this, like NetDiscover and Nmap. For today's video, we are going to start with NetDiscover, which is perfect for quickly mapping out a network and seeing all the connected devices. In the next video, I will show you how to use Nmap for more detailed information. Alright, I have got my Kali Linux terminal open. First, I will run the command ifconfig to check my network interface. As you can see, I have an ETH0 interface with an IP address. Here is my IP address. This is because I am using a network in a virtual machine. But the process works the same whether you are on a virtual or a real network. This is ETH0 interface represents my connection to the network. Even though it's virtual, the Kali machine thinks it's connected to a real Ethernet network. I have also got a virtual window machine on the same net network, simulating my target. Now let's run NetDiscover to find out what devices are connected to the same network. The command is simple: NetDiscover and R. The R specifies the range of IPs I went to search. My IP is 192.168.73.131. So I can only scan IPs in the same subnet, which is range from 192.168.73.1 to 192.168.73.254. Now enter your network first IP address 192.168.73.1 according your IP address. Instead of man Instead of manually typing the entire range, I will just use 24 at the end of the IP address and NetDiscover will handle the rest. Scanning from 192.168.73.1 to 192.168.73.254. And there you go. NetDiscover shows me all the connected devices, their IP addresses, MAC addresses, and it even tries to guess the vendor based on the MAC addresses. You can press Q to exit the program. Simple, right? This works just as well for real networks, including Wi-Fi if you have got a right setup. Speaking of Wi-Fi, let's move to the wireless network. You will need an external wireless adapter if you are running Kali in a virtual machine, as the built-in Wi-Fi card won't be accessible. Now that I have connected to the adapter and configure it, I will run ifconfig again, and there it is, LAN 0. This is my Kali machine is now connected to a Wi-Fi network. This one, and we can scan for devices. Let's run NetDiscover again, but this time with my new IP 192.168.1.38, and I will set the range to 192.168.1.1 and 24 to cover the entire subnet. NetDiscover R. Enter your network first range IP 192.168.1.1 and 24 and hit enter. Whether you can see the devices list not shows perfectly because we don't turn off the net adapter. So first we need to turn off or disconnect the net adapter. Then run again. As you can see, it's discovering all the connected devices on the Wi-Fi network. Same command, different network, same reliable result. How easy it is? to use NetDiscover to gather information about devices on the network. Whether you are working in a virtual environment or a real network, the process remains the same. But you need to turn off or disconnect the net adapter from here, from VM section, and remove old device and turn off network adapter and turn off net adapter. So in the next video, we will step it up a notch with Nmap and learn how to get more detailed information about each device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.